everyone. So I'm a part of Take Your House Back again this year and Get Organized HQ with Laura and Tanya. So we just did an all-day declutter yesterday and I joined all the lives after I was up, but I didn't clean much. I put like 10 clothing items aside there. So now I'm cleaning a bit. I decided in the spare office room because I really got to get the cleaning done here. It's still crazy. So I did clean the fridge recently, like a couple of weeks ago, and I decided to give away 3 magnets. So that's going in my little giveaway box where I have old earbuds and an old keychain. And I found a couple things that are garbage. I never, ever used lip liner, and this is all, I don't know, some of this was from my mom. I have brand new tweezers from Poland still unopened that I think I gave my mom before, so I'm actually thinking of giving them to my niece because her birthday's coming up now. And yeah, there were sharpeners there. I'm just going to see if my mom wants them. So now this is empty. This makeup bag I emptied. There wasn't much in there now. So I'm watching Dana K. White's replay for Take Your House Back. And she says, if there's something that you want to keep, think of where you would look for it first and go put it there now. But if there's no room, like say on a shelf or something, then you have to get rid of something to make room for that item. So you have to make room for the items you really want. But yeah, try to keep items that you'll use, that make you happy. Have an organized place so you feel better about yourself, and that's going to be one of my main goals this year. I gotta work harder on that this year. I also joined another thing now. I'm just starting out, so I'm not sure about this yet, but it's just Zoom meetings with a couple women, a woman that like coaches women that have their own businesses and to help them if they want their own business. So I'm going to see how that goes. But yeah, I'm going to really work on this and then see with everything else later. Hope everyone's doing good out there. Take care of yourselves, take care of your places, and bye, good night.